Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best handheld planers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Handheld Planers. Electric handheld planing devices are available in all shapes and sizes, and can handle most woodworking jobs from small to large. These machines are highly important for common construction tasks, such as stud-work and refinishing. Handheld planers can also assist in the recovery of older wood through speedy stripping of previously stained wood and squaring up of battered edging. Number 5. Jealous 7.5 amp Power Hand Planer. Pressing and pushing the yellow sawdust bin to change the direction of the outlet, also suitable for connection of both vacuum cleaner and dust bag. Main features: all mirror grade aluminum bottom, auxiliary push handle, high power and high efficiency. Number 4. Bosch 3 1/4 inch woodworking hand planer. Dual mount fence provides non-flexing guidance, prevents marring of door or workpiece face. Spring-loaded, built-in stand elevates tool to protect blade. Main features: versatile two-blade hand plane system, large high-speed steel blades, weighing only 6.3 pounds. Number 3. Tack Life Power Hand Planer 7.5 amp. The aluminum front and rear shoes will not deform and rust, lasts up longer than iron shoes on other wood planer, ensure parallelism of cut. Main features: high power to weight ratio, durability and protection, double side blades and versatility. Number 2. Porter Cable Hand Planer 5/64 inch PC60 THP. The overmold depth knob offers 10 positive steps which allow for better planer control, along with 3 chamfering grooves for options on edge chamfering. Main features: dual side dust extraction, overmold depth knob, heavy-duty 6 amp motor. Number 1. Tack Life Electric Hand Planer 6 amp. The precision machined aluminum base achieves high accuracy of planing. The depth knob allows setting of depth increments from 0 inch to 5/64 inch. Main features: protection and durability, reversible blades and convenience, powerful and lightweight. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.